Hi, hello, welcome back to Patiodreams. Today I want to share with you a very popular fashion trend, polka dot earrings. Let's get started. First, roll a piece of your favorite color polymer clay. Here I have taken beige color and knead it well. Also take a piece of white color polymer clay and knead it into very thin sheet. Now cut small circles from this white color polymer clay. You can use very small round cutters, but here I am using a very small straw. We need equal size small circles, that is why I am using this cutter. Take your first polymer clay sheet, mark down equal distance points so that you will get a very neat polka dot sheet. Here I am using this graph paper as a ruler so that I can mark each equal distance points. And here it is, this sheet. Now roll down each circle shape into a ball and flatten that piece onto the marked points using any flat object. I found this plastic spoon works way better. Here it is, our polka dot sheet. You got a very neat polka dot polymer clay slab, and cut this into your favorite shapes based on your jewelry design, and then you can make your own favorite polka dot earrings, bracelets, necklace, etc. Now I'm going to create two earrings. I'm going to show you one. For now, I'm making the polka dot dangle disc earrings. So cut out two medium round shape using any round cutters and two small circles with any very small round cutters. And this pair will make my first dangle polka dot earrings. Now I'm going to show you one trick if you feel trouble when connecting these two pieces together using a jump ring. So I have a trick that I'm going to make some U-shaped pin using the eye pin and insert that U-pin at the bottom of the earring stud, and I'm going to bake that. And I will show you how to connect them using this jump ring after baking. So here I have inserted that U-shaped pin onto the stud, and you also need to poke a small hole at the top of the dangles, and it will be ready for baking. Now our earrings are ready after baking. Remove the U-pin from the stud and attach it with some super glue and connect both the pieces together using gem ring. And then our earrings will be ready. Our polka dot earrings are ready. I have made another pair of polka dot earring, and here it is. And now attach that earring post onto that earring and it will be ready to wear. Don't forget to try this out. This is a great tutorial for all the polymer clay beginners. Now I'm going to glaze it with polymer clay gloss glaze. These polka dot earrings are fun and girly, and it would look great with the modern and retro outfits. And all the tools I have been using in this video are easily available in your home other than polymer clay. So I hope everyone can try this project, and this is easy and fun. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.